Hello. Welcome to Sharper Software's demo videos. In this video, I will take you on a journey to demonstrate the features of SharperClinic. SharperClinic is software that helps manage healthcare clinics. SharperClinic is a smart client application that provides a rich user experience. We will demonstrate this rich user experience once we install it on a user's computer. To install SharperClinic, users navigate to an internal web page and click on the Install button. Using Microsoft's Click Once technology, SharperClinic installs all of its prerequisites, in addition to the application itself from this web page. Users do not require administrative privileges to install SharperClinic. Once installed, an icon appears on the user's desktop. To start the application, double-click on this icon. If a newer version of SharperClinic is available, it will be downloaded and installed automatically. Here is the home screen of SharperClinic. Notice that the user was not prompted to enter his or her credentials. This is because SharperClinic uses Active Directory for authentication. Note the name of the currently logged on user. The home screen provides a chronological list of all the commands a user needs in order to work with SharperClinic. If a user does not have the privilege to use any of these commands, the command does not appear in the home screen. To administer users of SharperClinic, all what an administrator needs to do is to create users in Active Directory and add them to the proper roles. Let's begin with a scenario. A patient named Lucy Henry calls our clinic and requests an appointment with the dermatology expert. To book an appointment for Lucy, we click on the Appointments command in the home screen. Our clinic consists of several specialties, with a doctor assigned to each of these specialties. Every resource in the clinic has his or her own color-coded calendar. Notice the calendar of our dermatologist, compared to the other doctors in our clinic. Lucy Henry is on the phone with our receptionist. Lucy agreed to book the dermatologist's time starting at 12 o'clock p.m., up to 12:30 p.m. Let's book this slot for Lucy. Double-click on the time slot to open the appointment editor. At the moment, all we know about Lucy is her name and mobile phone number, as this is Lucy's first ever appointment with the clinic. The receptionist enters Lucy's details. Note the status of the appointment. We can change this status to confirmed, because Lucy is sure she will be able to make it to the appointment. Let's assume Lucy wants to be treated using treatment 3. Note the color-coded treatments available at the clinic. Now let's save this appointment to book it for Lucy. Notice the new slot added to the dermatologist's calendar. While we booked an appointment for Lucy, patient Elaine called and informed us to confirm her appointment. To change the status of Elaine's appointment, right-click on it and select Status, Confirmed. Notice the color of the band on the left of the appointment. It changed from yellow to green. Elaine's appointment was marked in yellow because it was in waiting. Now that it's confirmed, it changed to green. When Elaine arrives at the clinic, the receptionist changes the status of her appointment to arrived in a similar way. Changes in appointments are automatically updated on a user's screen. This way, our dermatologist is notified that Elaine has just arrived at the clinic. The viewing options on the left of the appointments screen helps you view the information that is relevant to you. It helps you navigate to the date you are interested in. By default, it opens today's appointments. It also helps you select which resources you'd like to see on the screen. Let's unselect the ophthalmologist and select the first assistant instead. We do this by simply clicking the checkbox next to the name of the resource. The dermatologist decided to move the Botox treatment to his assistant. We do this by simply dragging the appointment off the dermatologist's column, and dropping it onto the same time slot in the assistant one's calendar. Let's open Lucy's appointment for review. Notice that Lucy does not have a file with us. Let's create one for her. Click on the Add New Patient command. Let's enter Lucy's full details, now that she's present at the clinic with her credentials. Once done, click on the Save command. Notice the list on the left. This is an audit trail of all the changes that have happened to this appointment. What would happen if there were multiple appointments at the same time? Let's move the temporary crown treatment up by one slot. Notice the conflicts message at the bottom of the screen. This helps users find and amend conflicting appointments. Let's move the temporary crown treatment back to its original slot. Notice that the conflicts message has disappeared. Using these features and many more, the clinic can keep track of all the appointments. The clinic also gets reports from SharperClinic to show the utilization of its resources, the number of cancelled or no-show appointments, and other information that helps the clinic improve its business processes.